continue about the rule 1-2. Stay on page number 17 on your English booklets. Now, the last thing we need to talk about is the question form of 1-2. The question form. How to make a question using 1-2. For the singular, you have to use first does, then the subject or the singular subject or the pronouns she, he, or it plus 1-2 plus verb infinitive. For the plural, you use do and the pronouns they, we, you, I, or any plural noun plus 1-2 plus verb infinitive. Look at the following examples. Do you want to take a test today? Do you want to take a test today? Notice here that we used do at the beginning of the question, then the subject you, then 1-2, then the infinitive form of the verb take, and the complement of the question. Do you want to take a test today? The answer should be in the short form, okay? And since it is a yes or no question, your answer should be yes or no. So the answer here for the question is yes, I do, no, I don't. You use yes and the subject and do. Or no and the subject and don't. Now move to the second example. Does she want to buy a new car? Does she want to buy a new car? Notice here that we have used does because the subject here is she. Then 1-2, then the infinitive form of buy and the complement of the question. And as in the first example, the answer should be is with yes or no. Look, yes, she, the subject, the same subject as we used in the question, and does, since we used does in the question. No, she, the subject, and doesn't in the negative because the answer is no. Now I want you to move to page number 18 and look at the exercise that you have here, complete with 1-2 or wants to. You have to look carefully at the subject of each sentence and fill in with want to or want to. The first example is already done for you. I want to play on my console. Now, look at the second sentence. She. Remember, she. Do we use want or wants to? Do it yourself. I'm not gonna answer. The third sentence. We want to or want to. They want to or want to. I want to or want to. He want to or want to. I'll repeat reading the sentences for you. The first one is already done for you. I want to play on my console. She watch TV. We listen to music. They make a phone call. I wash my clothes. He cooks some food. Now I want you to open your student books at page number 50 and and look at the pictures and the examples. Look at the first picture. Look at the boy. What does he say? I want to ride the bus. On the second picture, on the right, on my right, I want to see that movie. He's expressing his desire that he wants to see that movie. Now, learn. Read each sentence. Write 1 or 2 to indicate whether you agree with the statement. Write 1 if you want to do this. Write 2 if you do not want to do this. So the answers are up to you. The answers are up to you. I can't answer them for you because it's all about you. I just want to read the sentences for you and you have to answer with 1 if you want to do what is in the sentence, and 2 if you don't want to do what is in the sentence. Sentence number 1. I want to walk to school in the rain. 2. I want to be an actor or actress. 3. I want to feed a cheetah. 4. I want to get a good education. 5. I want to eat carrots and lettuce in my salad. 6. I want to fall down and hurt my leg. 7. I want to live in a costume trailer. 8. I want to listen to music during lunch. The answers, again, are up to you. If you want to do what is in the sentence, just write number 1. If you don't want to do what is in the sentence, just write number 2.